Are you ready to embark on a journey through the latest and greatest gadgets that are rocking the tech world? Today, we're diving deep into the realm of innovation to bring you the absolute must-haves. Buckle up for a tech-filled adventure as we explore the can't-miss gadgets that you'll definitely want to add to your wish list. Tilt 5 XE Kit. The Tilt 5 XE Kit revolutionizes gaming with holographic immersion. Its 3D experience, powered by AR tech, projects vibrant, detailed graphics onto your game board via special glasses. These glasses track movements, enabling seamless interaction with the virtual environment. Solo or with friends, the system delivers an exciting gaming experience. You can even start playing and save progress for friends who join later. The Tilt 5 XE Kit elevates gaming beyond the screen, offering a captivating blend of technology and entertainment for enthusiasts. Nano Key Biometric. The Nano Key Biometric is a rapid on-touch access scanner with high resolution, offering versatile mounting options for enhanced security. It can conveniently store up to 20 fingerprints for secure access and boasts a range of up to 20 feet. The Nano Key is equipped with a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, providing an impressive 3 months of standby time on a single charge, and can be recharged in just 2.5 hours. Priced at $84.99, this biometric device is compatible with RS Series, MX Series, VT Series, and Slider Series. The Nano Key Biometric ensures your safety is prioritized with its advanced features and reliable performance. Solo Card. The Solo Card redefines business card convenience. No more worries about forgetting or lugging around traditional cards. This innovative card transmits all your business information to others' phones via an embedded NFC chip. Crafted from premium metal with laser-engraved personalization, it elegantly pops up your name and logo. Priced at $67, this sleek solution provides regular updates through its web interface. Say goodbye to printed cards and embrace the modern, efficient Solo Card for memorable and hassle-free networking. Powerpaw 600. Introducing the Powerpaw 600, a $25 rechargeable hand warmer designed to keep you warm anytime, anywhere. Claimed as the world's first with an IPX7 water resistance rating, it features anti-slip silicone for a secure grip. Operating for approximately 6 hours at 130 degrees Fahrenheit, it offers 4 adjustable heat levels to suit your needs, even in freezing temperatures: 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for various activities like watching games, hiking, hunting, camping, or ice fishing. This device ensures warmth and comfort. Stay cozy with the Powerpaw 600. Rechargeable, reliable, and ready for any adventure. Double Hold. The Double Hold, a versatile strap, phone holder, and carrier, ensures hands-free convenience without the need for a desktop or wall. Easily convert it into a phone stand for movie enjoyment at any angle with its innovative hinge design. Quick-release buckle and built-in magnets provide effortless phone handling, complemented by a card holder for organized credit cards. Wear it as a sling bag, chest holder, or securely on your belt for adaptable connectivity on the move. Whether for a POV perspective or hands-free recording while walking, running, or cooking, the Double Hold keeps you connected effortlessly. As we dive deeper into these incredible gadgets, pause for a moment and think. Which one stands out to you the most? Comment below. If you're loving what you see, a thumbs up and a subscribe would be awesome. Sidekit. In our daily lives, managing essentials like keys, earphones, bills, and more can clutter pockets. The Sidekit offers an organized solution with a compact, versatile casing designed for better organization. Its modular design accommodates keys, cards, bills, mints, and gums with a thickness similar to a regular wallet. Curved edges facilitate easy pocket entry and exit. This convenient organizer includes accessories like a divider for item separation, a money clip for bill security, and a detachable card wallet. Crafted from high-grade recyclable polycarbonate, the Sidekit is rugged and robust, surpassing the durability of regular wallets. Infini. Designed for users who enjoy taking the moment to fidget and focus. Infini is a compact and lightweight desk toy, priced at $29. With unique functions like clicking, swiping, pressing, rolling, friction, and knocking, it easily fits in your pocket. Crafted from touch-friendly durable materials, Infini ensures long-term use. Its features cater to those who appreciate tactile engagement, providing a convenient and engaging tool for moments of focus and relaxation. Modl Infinity Tool. The Modl Infinity Tool, priced at $45, features a flexible carabiner with a strong and stretchy design, offering versatility for various purposes. Its modular nature allows users to employ it for hanging gear, lashing items, fastening to backpacks, tying down tents, or even using it as a belt. Despite its seemingly short appearance, the possibilities are endless. Join multiple units to achieve the desired length. Crafted from silicone with a stainless steel finish, this gadget withstands up to 70 ohms, serving as a reliable tool for diverse needs. Additionally, it doubles as a fidget toy for moments of boredom or nervousness. GoveeLife Smart Space Heater. In cold seasons, achieving even heating across the entire house can be challenging, leading to some rooms being colder than others. Adjusting the thermostat for the whole house may not be ideal, as it can make some rooms too hot and dry while increasing energy costs. This budget-friendly and compact model boasts comprehensive smart features, heating up to 77 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 seconds. With safety features like tip-over, overcurrent, and overheating protection, it ensures a secure operation. The GoveeLife app allows remote control, with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity for convenient management. This smart heater integrates seamlessly with other Govee gadgets, working together for optimal home comfort. Nilight Portable Air Compressor. The Nilight tire pump stands out by efficiently inflating car tires, specifically the 195, 55, and R15 size, from 0 to 35 psi in just 5 minutes. With a maximum pressure capacity of 150 psi and an impressive airflow of 35 liters per min, it exceeds the effectiveness and speed of traditional tire pumps. This professional-grade pump offers a swift and powerful solution for inflating flat tires, making it an excellent choice for emergency situations on the road. Experience the convenience and reliability of the Nilight tire pump when you need quick and effective tire inflation. Myconos. Experience the mesmerizing allure of Myconos at home, in the office, or during moments of meditation with friends and family. Crafted from stone, this device seamlessly blends nature and physics, creating an impossible yet captivating visual. When the two stones unite, a magnetic cushion induces levitation, evoking an irresistible attraction. The displaced magnetic field causes the top stone to gracefully rotate. For an extra touch, introduce bioethanol burning levitation and watch the stone ignite in a fascinating display. After a challenging day, illuminate Myconos to soothe your mind, promoting relaxation and tranquility for a better rest. Well, that's a wrap on our gadget galore. Which one stole your heart? We're dying to hear, so drop us a line down in the comments. If you had a blast diving into the tech universe with us, show some love by hitting that like button. And hey, if you haven't already, consider joining our techie tribe by subscribing. Ring that notification bell too. You won't want to miss the next awesome video. Until then, stay curious, stay connected, and catch you on the flip side.